welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sonia, a self-taught designer, hand letterer, and illustrator. You can also find me on Instagram, Just Drawing Words. So a lot of you have asked how to go about using the GIF that you created on Instagram stories. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do exactly that, from submitting your GIFs to GIPHY.com, getting approved, and how to upload it so that you can start using your own GIF on Instagram stories. I just want to note that this video is not to teach you how to create a GIF. If that's something that you want to learn, I have created a couple of videos for that. I will go ahead and add the link in the description box below so you can check that out. Okay, so these are some of the collections of GIF that I created that's currently available on Instagram Story. You can simply search it up just by searching "not today," and you can start using that. For today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and add this cat GIF that I created a week ago to just show you, to demonstrate how you could go about uploading your GIF into GIPHY.com. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log into GIPHY.com. So I'm gonna just go ahead and go into GIPHY.com. And once you go in, you just have to sign up for the account. So in my case, I already have it, but I'm just gonna demonstrate the whole process of starting with a new account. So just go ahead and click on login. And then here, if you don't have an account, you can just click join GIPHY. I already kind of put in the information here, and I'm gonna sign up, so click on sign up. And then once you do, it's gonna go to this setting where you could update more information. What you need to do, the second step is you have to apply for an artist channel. So you have to be approved first before you could upload your GIPHY. So where you're gonna go is, if you go here, this 3-dot right here, there's a support section. Once you go there, there's a section called Making GIFs, Stickers, and Text. You're gonna click on that. And then here, there's a section for a GIPHY for brands and artists. And then on the first section, it will be apply for an artist channel. I am also gonna add this link in the description box below so you can go directly there. But if you have any problem or whatnot, you can always go ahead and follow the steps that I just showed you. So once you get here, it gives you all the details, what you need to know about applying for an artist, and then you can just go ahead and click here. Digital and visual artists can apply right here. Click on here, and it's gonna go to this page, and it's gonna ask you to upload some GIFs. Go upload some GIFs. It requires you to upload at least 5 GIFs on your channel in order to qualify to get reviewed. So you can just go ahead and upload them. And then that's actually done with step 2. Once you apply for me, it took me exactly 1 day to get approved, and you will get an email notification saying that you did get approved. Once that happens, you are free to upload your GIFs. In this case, you already uploaded 5, but in any case you want to upload more, you can just always go back to your account and upload it, which I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so now given that you got approved to become an artist in the channel, all you need to do is now upload more GIFs if you have any. So in my case, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I upload the cat that I created. It's actually really simple. All you need to do is click on this upload button right here. Once you do that, you can just go ahead and browse your files, which I have it right here. Okay, and then for the source URL, you don't have to do anything, you can leave it open. But for the tags, you would have to enter the tags so that when people search for it, that's the keyword they're gonna use. So in my case, I would say maybe good luck. Okay, so once you're done with the tags, all you need to do is upload to GIPHY. And it's just gonna take a few seconds for you to upload. Okay, so that's about it. It takes a few days for your stickers to be approved, which means once you upload it, it's not gonna show it right away to your stories. It's gonna take a few days. You won't get a notification or anything like that, but I would once in a while check to see if it shows up on my stories. Okay, that's it from me. Hopefully you find that helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of these, please subscribe so you don't miss any of these videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.